Guys, igama lami ngu-Happiness Lungile Dladla. Ngizonixoxela ngomemulo wami obekhona nge-8 zakaFebruwari 2025. So umemulo wami uqale nge-6, the process like ama-procedures akhona aqale nge-6 zakaFebruwari, then 7 nange-8 ke. Yeah, so ngafika intombi yena on Thursday kwaba naleyo process leyo yokuthi ngikeze malume izinto umphakathi sasiwuphethe ke, so kwaba yileyo process and then basivumele ukuthi singene sifune umkhonto. Oh guys, sawufuna umkhonto, sawufuna ngaphansi kwamafriji emakhabetheni kwasani. Guys, umkhonto wami nje kwafika efrijini, cabanga efrijini like then sawuthola umkhonto-ke, sawuthola efrijini guys. Umkhonto wami lo nice, like bewu-hot, you understand, like for into bengingayibonanga. So apparently indaba yomkhonto-ke ugirl angithi nangazi-ke Miss Independent, so I was planning ukuthi ngizozidecorate umkhonto wami, but no girl, you can't, umuntu omulayo akazidecorate umkhonto yabo, so it has to be imfihlo apparently indaba yomkhonto. So I was a bit worried ukuthi bazongenzela into engayifuni. So mangithola and then mangibona ke, I was like okay. Yeah, so bekuyenye izinto lezo engilifte up imood yami ke yomcimbi ukuthi no, anyamula guys, nyamula, and it's gonna be lovely. Yeah, umkhonto wami. So yeah, kwaba right ke sangena emgonqweni on Thursday ke nempelesi, but bezishoda abanye due to imisebenzi and stuff bebangekho ke, but sangena emgonqweni nalaba bebakhona ke. Kwaba lovely emgonqweni. Then kwaba Friday ke. Friday izinto zenzeka, hayibo. Yafika ke inkomo yami guys emhlophe engakanani elingana nami nje. So mayifika ke on Friday bengimele ke ukuthi ngihlala inxeba lenkomo. Hayi zafika ezinye impelesi ke yabo, saphuma ke emgonqweni, siyaculela inkomo, sayiculela bahlatshwa inkomo ke. From there ke wakhishwa umhlehlo on Friday, sashuta, kwaba lovely man yabo. Inyongo yenkomo, umswane sangena nazo emgonqweni, isibindi seyintombi sangena nazo ke emgonqweni, sabuyela emgonqweni. Then kwaba ntambama ayi ugel uworried ngaka ngiyangazi ke nokuphenikayo. So ugel uworried man, intombi kaze ayongiphakamela yini. Mabafika yo, hayibo zafika intombi guys, zafika yo mabafika lapha. I was like okay, angisazi ukuthi ngizoba accommodate kanjani mina abantu abangaka yo. But ke guys, ngomusa yabona, umusa nje konke baphelela Nkosi yami. Kwaba yicamp ke, sayibamba ubusuku bonke, sayibamba sayolala ke Ntatha kusa, then savuka kuyi-Saturday nge-8 ilanga elikhulu ke. Zawa guys, hayibo. Savuka ekuseni ke, sahamba sayogeza, then ngabuya sengifake iveli yami, okuwutshani, sabuya sasho ingoma yasho ingoma sangena-ke emgonqweni nakhipha iveli. Then nahamba ngayogeza, I understand makeup yonke into guys. Amazipho wami ngiwenze ekuseni. Imagine. Hey. Alright. Ngayenza amazipho ke. Then yeah, ngavunula guys ke. Savunula sacubula yasho ingoma kwaba lapho nje. You understand lokho kumasha lokho ke samacha.
wena wakabadela izinkundla zakabulawayo gadlela zikhalika zikho zisemsamo kokobole Dwala Mpembe Mhlophe Vezi Gadlela Nyazitha Magalela goqe njengeshongololo.
Safika ekhaya ke mase sesifika ekhaya guys bangamkela ke egate lapha ya then ngangena emgonqweni futhi mase sengena ke sekuyile part ebalulekile guys. Le ebalulekile makuthiwa umemulo bekhulunywa ngaleyo part leyo. You understand? Ipart yomhlelo. Hayi, sayingena ngempelesi. Weza-ke umalume. Hayi makafika nomama ke. Ibangcokisa umhlelo. Ha guys umhlelo uyabanda. Oh, uyabanda. Okay, nje asitatazela ngithi vele ke. Hayi, ngafaka umhlelo lapha ya. Guys. Beku-lovely shem, beku-lovely, yazi. So ngafaka umhlehla laphayana ke. Nganikeza umkhonto ke. Sebayanyala ngithi umemulo ukungikhulisa. So bebangikhulisa ke sebayanyala laphaya. Bangitshela ke indaba zemkhonto, you understand? Hayi ukuthi songidala ini siyakhulisa kanjalo izintonyana lezo mani. Nizo understand manifika kulawo ma stages lawo. So yeah, bangikhulisa ke then yaphuma umhlehlo ke guys. Hayi laphaya ziyakhala guys, ziyakhala shem. Yawuma uphuma ngomhlehlo ziyakhala. Like spotlight sonke sikuwe. So bengi overwhelmed. Yeah, ngisho kanjalo. Bengi overwhelmed. Okay, sharp. Saphuma umhlehlo sengiyacula laphaya ngibonga abazali yabo kwaba lovely ke. Bese sengithi abantu umphakathi, hayibo umndeni, like everyone was there. Yabona? So beku lovely man, beku lovely. Ngisho nje kanjalo. So yeah, kwaba yi-18 ke usuku olukhulu, hayibo bekumnandi.
Uma ulidinga awuhlabela bili awuhlabela thathu bese uyale ukusishila bese ushona phansi. Uma ulidinga awuhlabela bili awuhlabela thathu bese uyale ukusishila bese ushona phansi. Uma ulijonga awuhlabela bili awuhlabela thathu bese uyale ukusishila bese ushona phansi. Uma ulidinga awuhlabela bili awuhlabela thathu bese uyale ukusishila bese ushona phansi. Uma ulidinga awuhlabela bili awuhlabela thathu bese uyale ukusishila bese ushona phansi. Uma ulijonga awuhlabela bili awuhlabela thathu bese uyale ukusishila bese ushona phansi.
So yeah guys, umthumbo wami lovely man, lovely. Hayi 8 February bezikhala. Yo. So like into bengifrustrate, ne? Into bengifrustrate ngomthumbo wami. Bokuthi angithi ngiyazi ukuthi into mayibheke ku like umakoti, I was umakoti womemulo. Yeah. So bekumele ukuthi ngihlale phansi, like ngihlale uzothe nje. Uyabona? Ungaloku kuba isiphithiphithi, ungaloku uphithizela, ungaloku. So like angikhona ukuhlala phansi. Angikhona bokuyiyo into bokuyi challenge ngomthumbo wami. ukuthi I can't be sit down nje like ngiyekela izinto zizenzakalele. So yeah, bekuyi challenge engathi ngiyifacile leyo. I understand abantu sebagcwele lapha ya yo bagcwele yazi bagcwele isupport engitholile. So yeah, bekuyi challenge especially on Friday because I understand abomama abaphekayo sebalokhu bathi no umkhoda ukavuthwa kancane nje kancane yo abanye abantwana dala bacula. So like I had to ukuthi ngisukume la bengikhona and make a plan guys yo. So bekuyiyo nje iphathi very challenging ngomcimbi wami ukuthi nje ngihlale uyabona ngihlale ukuhlala yo guys. So angisilo umuntu loyo ohlalayo olinda izinto ukuthi zenzeke. So I do things for myself. I understand. So nje bekuyiyo nje i-challenge bengibhekene nayo kakhulu leyo ukuthi I had to sit abanye abantu ngibukela abanye abantu bayenza izinto bayenzela mina. Yeah, but then all in all guys yonke into ibe right ibe lovely. Angithi ngiyabona ugirl apparently uzenzele uhlala bakhe bomcimbi na understand obempelesi iketi besi lovely guys ihawu like yonke into yabona. So I'd like to give thanks to uSinothando bandla ngoculo wami. Understand ngiyabona ukuthi kanjani lovely yabona ugirl vele nje wangithi ba surprise angenzela ucu olubhalwe happy low ama nails guys ama nails yours truly. Yabona ikhanda from like everyone who contributed emcimbini wami. Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu kuma Nobels guys they got my bag like from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like they were there. I bangiphakamela ama Nobels unomehlo wami guys yo the girl Ashen ikhekhe like ikhekhe beli from unomehlo nge. So guys very lovely nale ikhekhe ngibonile ngithi so beku lovely man. Like thanks to everyone ozile wathatha isikhathi sakhe wa-attenda umemulo wami ngiyabona like ngiyabonga to everyone, to my brother jo like umndeni wami guys umndeni wami they were there like they were even willing to learn ukwenza ukuhlala ukungisiza ukuthi nje simane siqede this lovely outfit ngiyabona like they were willing to learn ukwenza ukuhlala ukuthi bangisize ngayo yonke into. So guys I'd like to thank everyone abomamncane Thandi abomamncane James abomamncane Ndondo the queen of my heart. I'd like to also thank my mother oyenze naye everything ama efforts akhe wonke like guys umcimbi lo like to everyone attend umcimbi ngiyabonga guys. Tracy my friend like beyangekho right ugirl but then wenze ama efforts ukuthi abe lapho ngiyabona my soul friend thank you so much like you were there wangisiza ngayo yonke into I understand. My friend uNtombi ugirl wangithi nje ngaba lovely ngama nails like she was there naye ke you understand ama designing ukuhlalo nomngani ithi ngenze 5 ukuhlala nawe wenze 5 I understand. So nje bengi frustrated but I had abantu I had friends who got my back I understand. Precious nge makeup like everything. So thank you to everyone ofake isandla everyone oyenze nje effort ukuthi nje ube khona umemulo ka Happy Low. Ngiyabonga guys, thank you to everyone. Ngithanda nonke ngo love. Ciao.